Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this breast cancer awareness pink ribbon keyhole scarf. It's a very quick and easy project consisting of only double crochet and chains and only 5 rows. I used a 6mm crochet hook and some worsted weight yarn by Red Heart. Before we get started, I'd like to take a quick second to ask you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a like and say hello in the comment. Alright, I won't leave you waiting any longer. Let's get to making this scarf. So as always, we're going to start with a slip knot on our hook. And we are going to make a chain of 120. So go ahead and finish up your chain of 120 and then meet me back here. Now that we've chained 120, we're going to double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. I like to work in the back bumps to get a cleaner finish on this edge. Once we double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook, we're going to double crochet across the rest of our chains. Go ahead and finish row 1 and then I'll meet you back here. So we've made our 118 double crochet. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn. We're going to double crochet into this very first stitch right here. And then this is a really easy row. We're just going to double crochet all the way across. At the end of our row, we should still have 118 stitches. Alright, I've made it to the end of my row, so I'm going to chain 2 and turn. For row 3, we're going to double crochet into the first 10 stitches. Alright, once we've double crocheted into the first 10 stitches, we are going to chain 14. Whenever we finished our chain of 14, we're going to skip 14 double crochet. Then we will double crochet into the 15th stitch. Alright, once we've finished putting our double crochet into the 15th stitch, we're just going to finish double crocheting all the way across. Moving on to row 4, we're going to chain 2 and turn. Then we're going to double crochet into this very first stitch and then into each stitch across until we get to our chains that we made in the last row. Alright, I've made it to the chain portion of this row. So now I'm just going to do 14 double crochet into this chain area. I'm not going to make the double crochets into the chain. I'm going to go around the chain. So now we're just going to double crochet into this very first stitch right here, and then we'll finish double crocheting across. On to the last row, which is row 5. We're going to chain 2 and turn. We're going to double crochet into the very first stitch and then into every stitch across. Now that we've finished row 5, we can fasten off and weave in our ends because we're done. Yay! If you have time to stick around, check out some of the other yarn and crochet related videos that are popping up on the screen right now. If you're into watching people organize things, check out this video here on the right. If you'd like to sit back and watch someone crochet something super cute, click on the video to the left. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.